that 5 daily moving average. It's sloping down, it's sloping down a little bit. But we did get a close above it. And we closed just below my green line here, which, as you guys know already, my macro level, fib level was at 546-ish. Didn't quite get the close above that level, but we did close back above the 5 daily moving average. The bulls are making some progress. Okay, so I'm hoping we get a bigger move, but, downside, upside, I don't care. But these candles been pretty small. The intraday movement's been pretty trappy. But the context on the daily chart is, after recapturing that 544 level, we have 2 days of green days here. 2 green candles, higher close. Still did not quite clear that critical fib level. But it looks like the market is curling. As you guys know, the chop phase, the trend phase. Obviously, we're in the chop phase, as you guys can see, with these 4 candles side by side like this. But we know the range, as I usually say. We know the range, the level that needs to clear in order to be bullish, which is 546. If it happens today, possibility. I think we got some data released this morning. Hopefully, it can give us some volatility. But clearing 546 or getting above 546 would be bullish. All right, guys. Yeah, and look at the Bollinger Band. We are not overextended or anything like that. So there's room to go up. We're not overbought on the RSI, so we're throwing some indicators in there. Okay, but overall, price action wise, just pure price action wise, after 4 days of consolidation, can we finally get that breakout? Clearing 546 would be bullish. All right, I would long. And of course, breaking back below that 544 level, because we lost that level earlier this week on Monday, recaptured it. So breaking it back down would cancel the recapture and signal to us, indicate to us that the last 2 days bounce was just a dead cat bounce. All right, so we're gonna keep it simple as possible. All right, breaking down 544 and breaking down 542, that will be bearish fall through. Will obviously be bearish and my trigger to go short. All right, and the only way I'll go long is if we clear and break out 546. All right, guys, be ready to react unbiasedly. Triple Q has been bouncing since we had 3 days of selling. Wow, that was a beautiful move, but then now the last 2 days has been a bounce. Stayed above 478. I mentioned to you guys, I can't get bears unless we lose that 478 level. We recaptured it, false breakdown. Yesterday, it tested as a support. So it's showing buying pressure. Market maker showing that accepts it as the buy zone once again. But will there be more follow through today? And if there is, 481 and 42.5 must clear. Above 481, there's definitely bullish follow through. All right. Now, if this is a dead cat bounce, then it needs to break down 479.5 and 478. The next breakdown of 478 might be the legit one. I would definitely be bear bias in favor of this bounce being a dead cat bounce, okay, if we break down 478. All right, guys. Tesla, nice bounce on Tesla. However, look at this W pattern, guys. Look like the W pattern play out. So we got to be careful. Don't catch FOMO now. If you didn't enter down here, don't try to enter up here unless it's a really good setup, okay? But it look like we got a W pattern here. And it's playing out, or even a cup, And if that's the case, we could be getting into complicating territory mode for Tesla, all right? So right now it's around 195. I have support at 194 and 192. If it's pullback time and this W pattern is it, and it's pullback time, those levels must fail to put 190, 188, and 186.5 back in play. Now, if it's going to continue, got to cancel this potential double top here, right? I got resistance at 196 and 198. Those levels clear. Back to 200 or higher we go, all right? Possibly up to 205 plus, okay? What bulls want to see, though, is Tesla. If it does pull back, bulls want to see the lowest 190 hold. Below 190 might be a bit tricky, might be a little more bearish than we think. But if it is going to consolidate, bulls want to see 190 hold the lowest. All right? Be ready to react, guys. and NVDA. Now here we got NVDA, right? Big body green candle on Tuesday. Yesterday is a big doji. When you see stuff like that, you got to be very careful because the market can go either way, and the third candle could possibly be a big move. All right. So if it's going to be bearish, 123.7 and 122 must fail. Those levels fail. Bearish, guys. Bearish. Okay? Look to short. And if the move is going to be up to the upside, then resistance at 125.5 must clear. And if it clears, we're heading up higher. 127, 129, and 131 or higher in play, guys. Watch the levels, watch the setups, and trade it unbiasedly. All right, guys? So that's my pre-market video. Peace.